You're welcome to class. Today we are going to be seeing how to use factorization method to solve quadratic equation. So first of all, we are going to see the general form of a quadratic equation. So we have it right here: ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. A, b, c are real numbers. So they can be negative, they can be positive, they can even be fraction, they can even be irrational number. Okay, and our a cannot be 0, because when a is 0, that equation reduces to linear equation. So factorization method, what we need to find here is the factors of a, c, whose sum will give us b. So let's say an example that will help us to understand that sentence better. We want to solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0 by factorization method. Now our a there is 1 and our c is 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. Now we are going to look for the factors of 6 that when we add together we will get 5. Okay, so let's try 1 and 1. 1 and 6, sorry. 1 plus 6 is 7, not 5. Okay, let's try 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Good. It means we've gotten the factors we are looking for. So we are now going to replace 5x with 2x and 3x. So let's do that. So now we'll factorize the first two terms there. X is common, we'll factor it out. The last two terms, 3 is common, we'll factor it out. Okay, if you look at it closely, you discover that x plus 2 is also common. We also factor it, so we are left with x plus 3. So we'll bring them together, equal to 0. So x plus 2 equals to 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0. Subtract 2 from both sides, subtract 3 from both sides, and we'll get our x. Okay, so let's see another example so that we can understand this method better. We are asked to solve this equation by factorization method. So let's see the equation now. 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So the first thing, let's get our AC. Our A is 2 and our C is minus 2. So let's multiply and we get minus 4. Now we need to find the factors of minus 4 that its sum will give us minus 3. Okay, so let's try minus 1 and plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3, not minus 3. Okay, let's try minus 2 and plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0, not minus 3. So let's try now minus 4 and 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Okay, so it means that we are going to replace minus 3x with minus 4x and x. Okay, so we'll go back to the original equation and replace it. So we'll have 2x squared minus 4x plus s minus 2 equal to 0. We'll factorize the first two terms. 2s is common, we'll factor it out. 1 is common from the last two terms, we'll factor it out. So if you look closely again, x minus 2 is common and we are left with 2x plus 1. So x minus 2 equals to 0, or 2x plus 1 equals to 0. If we add 2 to both sides, we have s is 2. We subtract 1 from both sides, 2s equals to minus 1. Divide both sides by 2. So we have our values of x right there. So here I have some questions for you that you are going to use the factorization method to solve. So go over the video again so that you can solve the questions correctly. Thank you.